Unwrapping the warmth of hug it out. Hello, lovely learners. Today, we're diving into a warm and fuzzy phrase that you may have heard in English conversations. Hug it out. This phrase is not just about a physical embrace. It's packed with cultural meaning and is a beautiful example of how action and emotion intertwine in language. So, let's get cozy and unravel the meaning behind this heartfelt expression. The phrase, hug it out, might seem straightforward. It combines hug, which is to hold someone close with your arms to show affection, and out, which usually means to bring something to a conclusion. Put together, this phrase is often used when two people embrace as a way to resolve an argument or a conflict, or to solidify a feeling of reconciliation and peace. Hugging is a universal gesture that conveys comfort, affection, and support. When someone suggests to hug it out, they're not just saying, "Let's end this conflict." They're offering a gesture of unity and compassion. It signifies that the relationship is more important than the disagreement. This phrase underlines the importance of personal connections over winning an argument. Now, let's see how hug it out can be used in everyday situations. After a heated discussion, one friend might say to the other, "I'm sorry, let's just hug it out." In a sports team, after a dispute during a game, the coach might encourage players to hug it out to restore teamwork. It can also be a light-hearted suggestion after a minor disagreement, just to move past the issue quickly. Understanding when and how to use this phrase can help you navigate social situations where reconciliation is preferred over prolonging a conflict. The phrase has been popularized in various TV shows and movies, especially those from the United States, where emotional expression is often encouraged as a means of resolution. It reflects a certain cultural optimism about conflict resolution, that all problems can, at least momentarily, be put aside with a hug. There you have it. Hug it out is a phrase that captures the essence of finding resolution and comfort through a simple yet powerful gesture. Next time you find yourself in a disagreement, maybe give this phrase a try. It might just turn the situation around. Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember that every phrase you learn is a step towards greater fluency in English. Until next time, happy learning, and don't forget to hug it out with someone you care about.